What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Dogecoin today. Lots of stuff going on with Dogecoin technicals. So we're gonna be going over some technicals with Dogecoin. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So the first thing you want to see here with Dogecoin, the 24-hour market control, it used to be in control by the bulls by 60%. But I mentioned in my previous video that it could be a reversal and we could be, in the 24-hour market control with the bears by 60%. Now, you can now see the bears are actually in control by 60% here. So we are slowly but surely trending down to the support line. So the 18-cent support line is what we're trending down towards. Now, this green area here shows our supply and demand. Green area shows lots of demand. And then the red areas pretty much show less demand. So when you look at Dogecoin's chart and you go all the way up here at the top, you see that there is less demand at the resistance of 22 cents. And then that is pretty much where we're going to have our resistance. We're going to have a lot of turmoil there. But right now, we don't need to worry about that. Right now, we need to worry about this drop that we just now had in the crypto market. So everything's trending downwards. I say this in all of my videos. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. What just happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin had a little bit of a downtrend here, and in return, everything else is going down with it. So you can pretty much see the charts here. Ethereum's chart is exactly the same as Bitcoin's. Binance Coin looks just like it. And then you look at Solana. Solana is definitely looking like it. Everything's taking this deep dive here. Terra, everything is pretty much down for right now because of what just now happened in the crypto market. Now, I do want to show something else with Dogecoin. So we know that Dogecoin is going down. And what happens when Dogecoin takes these downtrends? We get whales doubling down on Dogecoin. So this whale right here came in with a lot of money here. They came in with $68.9 million earlier today. Now that there was a downtrend, now this whale is at $66.8 million. So they're still going to be holding in. I definitely believe this is going to be one of those whales that holds until they're going positive with their money. They just put this $68 million inside of the Dogecoin today, and is most likely a multi-millionaire, or a billionaire even. So why would a millionaire or billionaire put $68 or not $68, $68 million into Dogecoin right as Dogecoin goes down? I'll tell you why, because a lot of these people have financial advisors. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But I know there are people out there investing into Dogecoin who do have these advisors. So when you see these millionaires, multimillionaires, billionaires, $68 million, they more than likely have someone telling them what to do. Now, the fact that they're still holding in Dogecoin, this pretty much shows that they see that Dogecoin can go higher. They see the opportunity and the potential with Dogecoin. They are looking at this and they're like, if I invest in Dogecoin now, yeah, maybe it goes down a little bit now, but they know in the long term it's going to go up huge. That's why you're seeing whales coming in with this. They know if they put the money in now, even a week from now, they could be way higher with their investment. So this is why a lot of the Dogecoin whales are doubling down. But let's go over the technicals here with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin price pretty much presents a buying opportunity before Doge spikes to 38 cents. So Dogecoin price continues to march higher with no hint of a significant pullback coming. So the weekly chart shows near-term resistance may create a bear trap. So they're saying this could be a bear trap here. That's pretty much what they're saying this drop here is inside of the crypto prices. So if that's a bear trap, you can bet that Bitcoin going down is a bear trap as well. You can bet that Ethereum going down is also a bear trap. That pretty much means everything that's going down right now is a bear trap. That is if what they're saying is correct. Now, as you can see, we have been bullish this week with crypto. So since we've been bullish this week, if we do have a huge pullback and we have like a 20%, 30% drop, then that is a confirmed bear trap. Me personally, I've been saying this could be a bull trap. When we started to go on this uptrend here, I was like, oh my gosh, this could be a bull trap. But look at how this came. Like, this was so strategic. I wouldn't even say strategic, but it's definitely a pattern here. Like, you see that it rose and then it went sideways for a little bit. It rose, it went sideways for a little bit, rose, and then as you can see, it took a huge dive down. It didn't play out the third wave like it did the other two. Like, these were like the stair step method. That's what I like to call it. Now, this could quite possibly be a bear trap, but let's keep going over this. So bulls could trigger a massive short squeeze with Doge spiking 100%. So Dogecoin price has picked up some excellent bullish traction over the past 2 weeks. So an expected gap fill between the bodies of the weekly candlesticks and the weekly Tenkan Sen is currently underway, but may extend beyond the Tenkan Sen. But Dogecoin price continues steady to pretty much run steady higher, and resistance is pretty much up ahead with Dogecoin. So as I showed here, we are going up to that resistance. So our resistance pretty much is around 22 cents. If you go over here, you can see that resistance is around 22 cents. So that's what we need to watch out for. We need to watch out for that resistance. Now, Dogecoin price is approaching that key resistance, and this is going to be a surprise for a lot of people if we can break it. So there are 3 strong resistance zones ahead between the 21 cents and 24 cent Tenkan Sen, 22 cents being our resistance. So you could see that continue to rise from there, or we may get rejected and then, do a little bit of a pullback, try to retest, build some momentum back up to, try to pass back above 22 cents. But anyways, many buyers are likely staying out near those price levels while its short sellers await an entry. So buyers who wait and short sellers who enter may both be on the wrong side of the trade, with the short sellers suffering the most. So the composite index, and actually before I go on, what they mean by this, saying that the buyers who wait and the short sellers who sit on the side, they're pretty much saying that they're wrong, because if this is a bear trap, that means if you're doing short selling, then you're going to get burned because Dogecoin's price is going to go up, which is going to make those things worthless. So if you want to be one of the people waiting on the sidelines and you buy in, well, then you could be buying in after the hype, after we rise. So it's best to get in when you can. That's why with crypto, it's best to buy the dip. It's best to dollar cost average, because that's the best. It's just the best thing to do. But anyways, let's keep going over this. So additionally, the composite index is about to cross above both of its moving averages, indicating a bullish breakout would likely be sustained. So additionally, the relative strength index has maintained a strong support zone above the final oversold level in a bull market. So its current slope suggests that any successful crossover in the composite index would position the relative strength index above the first oversold level. Here is the charts they are talking about here. So Dogecoin's major resistance, our major support being at 8 cents. We don't have to worry about that anytime soon. 18 cents being our area that we're at right now of support. So and when I said resistance down here for 8 cents, I meant support. So yeah, don't get on me about that. But yeah, the support, major support at 8 cents. And then at 18 cents, we have some more support, but hopefully we don't break below it. But look, we have so much demand right here. So I want to talk about what they're talking about with the bull trap. So there are the bear trap. They're saying that it's a bear trap. And when you look at it, it shows that we have a lot more demand for Dogecoin here. So all the time when we hit our supply and demand areas with these vital algo indicators, when we hit these supply and demand areas, we typically always go back on an uptrend. So once we hit that support, this is like a double whammy. It's the support and it's the supply and demand of high demand. So when we get to this area, we're more than likely going to bounce back off of this and build momentum and then get higher. So I want to see this go crazy right now. I want to see Dogecoin do some crazy numbers, because we quite possibly can. Now, anyways, over here, any current or new short positions in Dogecoin price will most likely be definitely under significant pressure. So with longs entering after resistance has broken and short sellers focused to liquidate a cover, a massive spike to weekly Senkuo span beat at 38 cents is pretty much likely. So they're saying 38 cents, if we could quite possibly hit that if we build this momentum up properly. So 38 cents is definitely very, very high from here. But, a lot of people are saying sometime next year, Bitcoin at 100K Bitcoin. Look, if we see 100K Bitcoin, you better bet we're going to see like really high Dogecoin. And we're going to see Dogecoin hit levels that we haven't seen in a while, like 38 cents. That's really high for Dogecoin. But at 100K Bitcoin, I want to say like 70 cent Dogecoin, possibly even $1 Dogecoin with 100K Bitcoin. Like we had to see something like that. But anyways, this is pretty much what I got for the technicals. But yeah, Dogecoin has the opportunity and the potential to hit 38 cents. We just got to have the whole Doge army staying strong. But yeah, Dogecoin only down 2.7% for the day. Not too bad. Still up nice for the week, 9.7%, 17.3% in the last 14 days. But yeah, they're saying this is a bear trap. So I'll keep you all posted and let you know exactly what's going on. Me personally, I don't think it's a bear trap. I think the whole uptrend was a bull trap for the whole overall crypto market. I've been saying this for a while. I know people are probably getting tired of me saying this because they think I'm all bearish with it. But look, we had a bull trap back here on the 14th of December. Look at this. We went all the way from 15 cents and we pumped so high. We pumped all the way up here. I'm trying to get like center it over here, all the way up to 21 cents from 15 cents. And now we went all the way from 16 cents all the way up until about 20 cents. So this quite possibly could be a bull trap. Just letting you all know. Don't want to see anybody get burned. But it doesn't even matter if it's a bull trap because, you're supposed to do long-term investing anyways. Dollar cost average in. Buy now. If it crashes even more, buy later. If it crashes even more, buy later. It goes up 100% and buy some more. That's literally the easiest strategy to do. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.